Maths 1, chapter number 2, real numbers, and topic is surds. So definition of surd is, if A is a positive rational number, if A is a positive rational number and nth root of A is x and x is an irrational number, then x is called a surd. Here A is a positive rational number and nth root of A is x, and if x is an irrational number, then x is called a surd. Here the symbol is called radical sign, and this n is the order of the surd. N is the order of the surd. So next, practice set 2.3. Practice set 2.3. Question number 1 is, state the order of the surds given below. State the order of the surds given below. See here this n is the order of the surd. So here order is 3. Here कुछ नहीं, मतलब यहाँ पे कितना रहेगा 2. तो इसका ऑर्डर कितना है 2. यहाँ पे ऑर्डर कितना है 4. यहाँ पे 2. यहाँ पे 3. सो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर is equal to 3. So order of this surd is equal to 3. Second, 5 into square root 12. So order is 2. Order is equal to 2. This is square root. Square root means what? It can be right 12 raised to 1 upon 2. So order is 2. Cube root means 7 raised to 1 upon 3. It can be right cube root 7. It can be right 7 raised to 1 upon 3. So order is 3. यहाँ पे order is 2. Third, ऑर्डर कितना है? ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 4. फोर्थ, ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 2. एंड फिफ्थ, क्यूब रूट 18. ऑर्डर इज इक्वल टू 3. So understood order of the surd. So next question number 2. Question number 2. State which of the following are surds or justify. आपल्याला इथे जे खालील जे एक्झाम्पल दिलेत, काही जे सर्ड्स दिलेत, त्यापैकी कोणते सर्ड्स आहेत किंवा कोणते नाहीत ते आयडेंटिफाय करायचे आहेत. सो फर्स्ट इज क्यूब रूट 51. So here A is 51, N is 3, so order is 3. So आपल्याला इथे 51 चं क्यूब रूट माहित नाही, काढता येत नाही, म्हणजे आपण सिंपल वेने ते काढता येणार नाही. सो इज एन इरॅशनल नंबर. सो इज एन इरॅशनल नंबर. सो देयरफॉर क्यूब रूट 51 is a surd. Therefore cube root 51 is a surd. See a second example. 4th root of 16. So A is equal to 16, N is equal to 4. But we know that 4th root of 16 is 2. 4th root of 16 is 2. See here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 raised to 4 is 16. Means 4th root of 16 is 2. So 4th root of 16 is 2. But 2 is a rational number. 2 is a rational number. आपल्याला इथे नंबर कोणता पाहिजे? इरॅशनल. सी अ डेफिनेशन. x is a irrational number. X is an irrational number. पण इथे आपल्याला काय येते? 2 is a rational number. So therefore, fourth root of 16 is not a surd. जर आपल्याला एकाचा रूट फाइंड काढता येत असेल तर तो सर्ड नसतोय. सो third is fifth root of 81. So here a is equal to 81. Order of the surd is 5. So fifth root of 81 is an irrational number. Because fifth root of 81 is a not a rational number. Not a rational number. कारण का आपल्याला इथे फिफ्थ रूट फाइंड करता येत नाही. So therefore is a irrational number and therefore fifth root of 81 is a surd. Is a surd. So it is square root of 256. Here a is equal to 256 and order of the surd is 2. 256 is equal to 16. 256 is a 16 because 16 square is 256. So square root of 256 is 16 and 16 is not a irrational number. A rational number means not irrational means 16 is a rational number. So ये रैशनल नंबर मिल गया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? सर्ड नहीं है. हम लोग को यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए? इरैशनल नंबर. 16 इज अ रैशनल नंबर. सो देयरफॉर is not a surd. Is not a surd. So fifth, cube root of 64. Here a is equal to 64. N is equal to 3 means order is 3. So again cube root of 64 is 4. And 4 is rational number. 4 is rational number. 4 is rational number. And therefore 64 is not a surd. हम लोग को क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे? इरैशनल नंबर. तो ये क्या है? रैशनल नंबर. सो ए भी क्या हो जाएगा? रैशनल नंबर. हम लोग को ये नंबर क्या होना चाहिए? इरैशनल नंबर्स. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 64 is not a surd. Number third, classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surd. So first pair is root 52 and 5 into root 13. So this is root 52. This is pure surd. This is a mixed surd. So 52, root 52 means what? 13 into 4. 13 into 4. So root 4 into root 13. It can be write root 4 into root 13. But we know that square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 13. So क्या मिल गया हम लोग को? 2 root 13 and 5 root 13. See here radicands are equal. Radicands are equal. 13, 13. So radicand equal असतील त्या सर्डला काय म्हणतो आपण? लाईक सर्ड. Here radicands are equal. Therefore these surds are like surds. So therefore root 52, 5 root 13s are like surd. Getting here radicands are equal, therefore these are like surd. Second example, root 68 comma 5 root 3. So root 68 is simple pure surd. This is a mixer. So convert into mixer. So 64 means 17 into 4. 17 into 4. 4 is a square number. So it can be right. Root 4 into root 17. We know that root 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 17. So 68 means what? 2 root 17. 5 into root 3. See here radicands are different. Radicands are different. Here 17. यहाँ पे क्या है 3. So radicands are different. Therefore root 68 5 root 3 are unlike surd. Are unlike surd. So next third, 4 into square root 18, 7 into root 2. So 4 into root 18 is equal to 4 is a mixed surd. So into 18 means what? 2, 9 into 2. 9 is a square number. यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर नंबर होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे ऑर्डर 2 है तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? स्क्वायर नंबर होना चाहिए. 4 square root 9 into square root 2. 4 square root 9 is 3 into root 2. Therefore 12 root 2. So 4 into root 18 is equal to 12 root 2. So 12 root 2 and 7 root 2. So radicands are equal. Radicands are equal. Therefore these are like surd. So therefore 4 root 18 and 7 root 2 are like surd. Are like surd. Fourth is 19 root 12 comma 6 root 3. So first 19 root 12 is equal to 19 into 12 means what? 4 into 3. So 19 into square root 4 into square root 3. So 19 square root 4 means 2 into root 3 is equal to 38 root 3. So 19 into root 12 is equal to 38 root 3. And second surd is 6 root 3. Here radicands are equal. Therefore and 6 root 3 are like surds. Got it? For simplify the following surds. The first surd is root 27. It is a pure surd. We have to convert into mixed surd. So 20 root 27. Here order is 2. तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? स्क्वायर नंबर होना चाहिए. तो कौन सा है? 9 3s are 9 3s are 27. So again root 9 into root 3. And root 9 is 3. 3 into root 3. So root 27 is equal to 3 into root 3. Clear? So second, root 50. So root 50 means what? So root 50 is equal to सिंपल है 25 into 2. 25 is a square number. So root 25 into root 2. Root 25 is 5. So 5 root 2. So third, $250. So 250 square root 250 is equal to 25 into 10. Simple, 25 into 10. 25 is a square number. So root 25, root 10. Root 25 is 5 into root 10. Fourth, 112. Square root 112. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, किसके टेबल में 16 into 7. 16 sevens are 112. So 16 into root 7. Root 16 is 4. So 4 into root 7. Next, fifth, root 168. 168 is equal to 16 and 4 into 12. 4 4s are 4 2s are, so 42. The root 4 into root 42. Root 4 is 2 into root 42. Got it? Thank you.